Hi guys! Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays! Thank you guys for spending your holidays with me on our channel. That is why we have a very special shopping episode for today. So guys, we are going to visit many beautiful luxury brands for today and check out their very beautiful bags. So we are going to go to Bottega Veneta, we are going to Bulgari, Gucci, Prada, Kenzo, and a whole lot more guys. We have a super jam-packed holiday shopping episode for today. So hope you enjoy and stay until the end of our episode. Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about latest what fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here, so please click on that one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account that's at Ramir52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. How beautiful and festive this window display from Hermes. So let's take a closer look. Love this windows display here with this bamboo bicycle. Look at this very beautiful bag. So can you spot the picotin bag here? Love this one. Let's start first at Bottega Veneta. I'm excited to see if they are now offering the certificate for warranty of a lifetime. We have here the very famous Jodie bag for 140k. Loving the size and loving the color. What do you think, guys? And then we have this for 127k. Love this very beautiful Bottega Veneta tote. I love the intricate weave. So it comes with a fully detachable shoulder strap, so you could wear it like this and you could wear it as a crossbody. I also love the size, it's much bigger than my petite sac bag. Then we have this beautiful Bottega Veneta cassette bag and the material is glittered canvas. What do you think? Actually, I mentioned that the canvas that they have used reminds me of the car seat belts. So we have here the pouch bag in mini size for 112k.
This is 86.
100.
This is 112.
Pero same style, it's bomb bag.
Yes.
Same size.
I mean same style.
Yeah, same
bomb
style.
bag.
Different material.
Diba?
Bum bag din siya.
Yeah. I like the finish kasi of this one.
Pero
I feel this much more.
pero this one, tingnan mo.
The whole this one for 89k only. What do you think, guys, of this very beautiful messenger bag from Bottega? I'm now obsessing on the Bottega Veneta green. Looks really beautiful. So we have here trying it out as a shoulder bag. I believe the strap is adjustable with these knots over here. So a lavender cassette bag for 139,500 pesos. What do you think of this very beautiful color?
Pa-cross bag. Neutral. Wala pa akong neutral color.
So we have a floral hobo bag for 25k. What do you think of the print, guys? And it comes with a micro bag attached together with this bag. Kenzo red barrel bag for 25,200 pesos. What do you think? Honestly, I love the shape, but the floral I'm not really a huge fan of. We have a Kenzo red tote bag here. Let's check out what's on display at Roger Vivier. Hopefully I'm pronouncing that right, guys. Just look at the very beautiful crystals. I'm so drawn on how blingy these shoes are. Definitely it's a yes for me. And they do have Tote. By the way, guys, this store here just newly opened at Greenbelt 3. So we have another Roger Vivier tote bag. These shoes, definitely I could see myself wearing them if only the soles are a little bit higher. So look at the crystals on these very sexy shoes. Definitely reminds me of the Manolo Blahnik Carrie Bradshaw shoes. Really gorgeous. What do you think, guys? Let's check out some bags from Bulgari. Wow! Oh my god, I love that crystal one. It's so good, so beautiful. Do you think we should go inside later? Oh my god, I love this, guys. Is it? It's embellished in crystals. OMG. Oh wow. Wow, love it. Ooh. These are exotic skin manta rays.
Yung water snake naman.
Yeah. Ang ganda.
Very iconic talaga yung may head.
Yes.
Oh, pansin mo agad na Bulgari because of the heritage heads. Yung head na.
Plus the stones, di ba? Parang they're semi-precious stones.
Opo. Center naman po. Center. Ito siya.
This one is coming soon pa lang here in the Philippines.
This one is for ordering po.
Pre-order. For pre-order, do I need to pay upfront yung full?
30% down payment po.
30%. Ganda.
Sa lahat ng bags namin may naka-chip na sa loob.
Yeah.
Ganda oh.
Ganda naman eh. Nice.
So, mapapansin nyo na stingray. Kasi yung, ito yung backbone nila.
Yes, oo. There's always yung ganyan eh.
Opo, ayan. Mas
Pero like for example, is there Bulgari Philippines website ba?
meron din po. Bulgari.com tapos
How beautiful and chic this Bulgari bag is. Love the material, love the entirety of the bag. It's top handle, it comes with shoulder straps, so definitely you could wear it as a shoulder and as a crossbody bag.
Very, Paris Hilton. No?
So we have here Serpentine Forever for 214k in the manta ray material. Then we have here Serpentine Forever in the snake skin. Super gorgeous. This one, guys, I so love this one. For 250k, the crystal embellished tote bag. Love. Then they have a collaboration with Alexander Wang for 162k. We have bags here. A quick look at Ferragamo. Checking out the display at Prada, so we have here their newer tote. What do you think of these new tote, guys? So they have this on the triangle shaped bag as well. They have the tote bag, and they have those Clio bags, the Galleria bags, messenger bags. Next is let us check out Gucci. So the CA told me that Gucci is now being carried here by Kering, no longer part of SSI, which is good news. So we have here for 84K, very beautiful Gucci canvas tote bag. I love the giant monogram of this. A vintage version of this sold for 84K. What do you think, guys? Which do you love better? Me, I would prefer the ones with the giant monogram one. So this one is 84K in the canvas and leather material. Then we have the totes, canvas totes from Gucci.
Ito, may web din siya.
240.
Tsaka may key.
Wood siya, no?
Yeah.
Mabigat.
Yeah.
Would you say yes to these Gucci trunk bags, guys?
Yeah. 240.
This is so gorgeous, a Gucci Jackie bag with crystal embellish. Then let's check out beautiful bags from Givenchy here at Greenbelt 4. How cute are these very beautiful hobo bags? And then they have the newer version of the Antigona. For 61K, you could definitely purchase this cute baby pink Givenchy canvas tote. And then we have in a bigger size for 94K. What do you think? This is a limited edition Givenchy tote for 149K. Just look at the chain, guys, so gorgeous.
Hi guys, so we are still here at Greenbelt and we have here the tallest Christmas tree by Louis Vuitton in Asia. Yay, here it is. Happy holidays! Hi guys, it's end of day, so we had a very productive day. Guys, honestly, I'm so excited and so happy that we went through the shopping episode for today. So hope you enjoyed our episode for today. There, did you enjoy our holiday shopping episode for today, guys? Wasn't that something and super fun? Which one is your favorite, guys? Please comment down below and let's have a conversation. Again, guys, before we end, I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fan. There's a cute little icon here, so please click on that one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account that's at Premiere52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you guys for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!